Oh, all right. Let's see. Share screen. I'm gonna go trade of it and enable audio and share. So that should work. All right. Yo, Shira.
Oh,
Ah,
yeah, you
okay.
heard?
Yes, 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 yes. So right now we're live. What you're saying is coming through the through YouTube also.
Okay.
Yeah. Finally, get it working, bro. Like fuck. Okay. Nice. Wait. Okay. Yo, last night I had like around what? I think it was like 5 people at once.
Uh, Bro,
Mm,
man.
yeah. And there was a guy, he said he live in Canada. He was asking me where I'm streaming from.
Oh,
Yeah. All right. So I haven't get to do my charts as yet. So you have a bias as yet?
I know. Like, you look at
So yo, you're taking a trade from week as yet, bro?
no, bro.
No.
Like, this man, look panic, but the direction and the one, it's going on. Look at that. Look at the plan of the direction, isn't it?
No, I get you,
So,
man. Oh, this morning, what you were looking for? What buys or sells?
uh, bias.
Buys.
Mm-hmm.
So for the strategy I'm trading, there was a potential buy, but it was like around like 10:30.
Late.
Yeah, and as usual, I'm off the market like 11. So for me tonight, I'm looking for buys on the gold versus US dollar. Anything above 4,514, good for me for buys. And on this futures chart, anything above here, 4,545, I'm good for buys. Sales will be back down in this area.
50 minute time frame?
Ah, yes. So yo, you see that small account I've been growing, man, like, bro. So at one point I had it at like 400 and like $50. Right now it's just at $400. Last week it went down to like almost $200. Well,
Okay.
yeah, it was in 280 or some shit like that.
Good month.
Yeah, man. All right, so let me see. Wave theory. So right now, the same female, what I keep telling her is that like even if you're in the market for like years, you're trading for like 10 years, you're always improving on your strategy because the market keep on evolving, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even like today, I did some work on one of the setup that I have. Remember, I have like right now, I have like three setup, right? So one of them is a bit complicated, so I'm trying to like get some work done on it. So tonight, all right, I'm gonna increase my lot size. All right, let me see. Uh, one, one and four. So I'm gonna put this at three. Manage group. Two. Three. Wait, no. Three. Two. Two. Three. Three. So that's 6, 8. Save. Put this at 8. Yeah, some of the time, like here would show all of these combined, right? All the panel combined. So if I'm up like $200 on one, it would show me $600. And if I'm down like $200 on one, it would show me 600. And some of the time I'd be like, oh fuck, I'm down $600 on one account. And then I check, I'll be like, oh no, I'm good. Yeah, some of the time, what may I do? May I try, you see, true, we are stream on the like the YouTube and thing, may I try get them so them can understand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Because
Makes
right
sense.
right now there was like three people just know motherfucker they leave. Because so that's the thing, like most of these young trader and people who trying to learn how to trade, like they will jump on other people's stream, and if they don't see PNL running, whether it's red or green, they're leaving.
Yeah. Yeah, that's something.
Yeah. So you go up a account, bro. YouTube
On
account.
it.
YouTube.
Yeah, I can think about that, you know, and put that in consideration.
Yes, because like when I look at it, like if your plans saying next year you want to do that, it's best to start now so you build that base.
Yeah, yeah.
Because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just like doing it for the fun. No, like even you did say it the other day, like um, just do it like my regular trading.
Yeah, as well, because, you know,
Yeah,
once it's recorded, I always upload it after you finish.
yeah, that's true, bro. So, but I
It's
remember,
not monetized.
eh?
It's not monetized.
No, not as yet. I think we need what we need again. I think I need like 1,000 sub or something like that. So,
Oh,
so there was a Fed speech today.
what time was it?
10:30. That was part of the reason why I didn't take that trade. So right now I want to find like a summarize of it, summarize version of it. So because it was like 1 hour long. Nah, I'm gonna read this shit later.
There's a female. Her
What's that?
next person.
Oh, oh, Shay.
Mm.
Let me see. Oh, she's not on. You see that sell off? You see that sell off, sure. But yes, yes, fuck it, exactly. They took liquidity from the upside, then liquidity from the downside. So any direction this want to move, we can eat something. Bro, as you see right now, you see I'm up 1,400. You see, sure.
What's that?
On the funded account, that's the account the stream the trade on.
The place I trade just now?
No, not just now. No, I mean like
No.
so right now I'm up 1,400. I just need 600 more, and then I can start taking payout off that account.
Okay.
Yeah. And then like I haven't been taking any trades on the my live account as yet. But by the ending of this week, these small account we need to bring them up, man.
That's the one. Those three right there.
Uh, what was that?
The one to the lower side. The three of them to the lower side.
Oh no, not these. The one that I use on. You remember that $100 account? Well, technically
Yeah.
$11 account. Yeah, trying to bring it up by this weekend. Hopefully, I can hit like 600 or 700 this weekend on it. Yours? Where yours is at now?
How much was it? 125?
Yes.
No.
Oh, 125 now.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Well, you know, definitely, I see the possibility of it for 500 this week.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we just finished quarter 1, the first quarter.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're
So it's coming in.
yeah start on quarter 2 now. All right, let me do over my zones. Uh, so right now it's a possibility I can get buys from here. Maybe, maybe not, but not gonna rush it. Is there a reason for this?
After the 15 minutes close.
Yes. So one of the strategy that I'm trading is that is that after hitting this zone, you see that area that price is in right
Yeah.
now, it's not a strong zone. So like if this was the area, all right. So right now we're looking at it on the 15. If it was like this on the 1 hour, then it would be a strong zone. So what I would wait for on the 15 minutes after have liquidity swept here, I would enter on the other candle, and my stops would be below here. If price come tap me out and continue move, no problem. But here would be a very good entry. So if I enter here and I'm risking like $500 from here to here, if I can get like a 2 to 1, I would make like $1,000, or even a 3 to 1, that's 1,500. And moves like these is what brought that small account up to $400 now. So like back then I wouldn't take trades like these. But what I'm thinking here normally works best on this side. See, we had swept liquidity here, and then I would enter here for the flip. But I would do it right now here because price had just opened. So anything could happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. But moves like these, and then I would enter here. As I said, this candle swept liquidity. Wait on this candle to create a wick, then flip, entry here, and my take profits would be somewhere down in here or even lower. But since I'm working with base hits from here to here, good.
So the 1 hour time frame
Not
from the
just,
zone to the next.
yeah, not just the 1 hour. All right, so you see on the 1 hour there is not much of a zone there.
Oh,
Yeah. So now it's iffy. So now I just gotta wait and see what's going on. Because as you know, this is not normal. I'm wondering what's causing this right now. Oh. So you seeing anything yet? Sure.
hmm?
You seeing anything as yet?
Based on my side still, I'm just using the phone for now
Oh,
to load up the laptop.
okay.
Next 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
All right. So right now, 4 hour bearish for now. 1 hour.
How much more minutes? 15 minutes close.
Much more minutes for 15. 4.
1 minute. Right.
Yo, if I can get that 1 hour closing down in that area, I think I might go for a buy. Because you see that sell off that they did just now? Sweet.
Okay.
Can get a better price
Easy
for
to
guys.
that both ends.
What was that?
So you could liquidate that both ends.
Yeah, man. Literally. So right now, anywhere. So if, all right, obviously right now we don't know where price is going. But if we can get like a buy down in this area, what I might do, if I can get a buy down in this area, I'll like take partial profits here and then hold the rest to somewhere here. But right now, I'm not like trying to rush anything or push anything.
So once it close up 15 minutes.
Yeah. And then price is back there, 30 minute. Order fill. Sometimes it kind of get annoying, when
Mm.
when you execute a trade, then you hear order fill. But you can change the voice to like a female voice or whichever.
Oh,
Yeah. Order fill. Ooh. Most of these people they want to see a face.
yes.
Mm. Like since we're streaming, they want to see a face.
That's not going to make any profit.
Yeah, exactly. No profits.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
but most of them they're looking for like entertainment. It's no
yeah.
problem though. Give them some entertainment. Sure, I'm gonna take a random buy just for some entertainment. What you say? Taking part?
No,
Imagine getting a buy from where that wick was coming from, and like so. All right, last night I took one trade. Where was it? So last night I was looking for buys here. Oh wait, let me see. Last night I was looking for buys here. You can see my chart share.
yeah.
Yes.
Ash,
So last night I was looking for buys here. But what I wanted this to give me a deeper wick first. Maybe clear some liquidity here. But I didn't get that. So I didn't take it. So then I took my buys here. All right. I took my buys here and my stop was here. So
okay.
after I got executed here, went up in a bit of profit, I was in a huge drawdown here. So this was like $300 or a little over $300 in drawdown. I
Mm-hmm.
knew it was eventually going to go back up. So I held it with my stop sitting here and I ended up taking profits somewhere here. So it was like a little over $200. I wanted to hold it to somewhere here, but price, as you see, price ended up starting choppy after.
Mm-hmm.
Took liquidity again and then continuously going up. So the end of the day, my target was in this area, and as you see, price went all the way up there. So this is one of the strategy that I'm trading for wave theory, the flip. So this would be like the second cycle. Yes, the second cycle. We got target hit. So this is the target for the 4 hour. Target has had hit. I wanted some liquidity to sweep. Well, they didn't sweep any, but they end up going all the way up.
Yeah, looking good. That's what.
Yeah. So now, since as you said, they just took liquidity for the upside, liquidity for the downside. Now, if we can get a 30-minute close out of this zone, because right now we're in a range, we cannot take a trade, we cannot take a buy, we cannot take a sell. Right now we're in a range, just gotta wait.
Bye, So there though. Yeah man. So 15 minutes close. So alright. So what can I put it on the table? Yeah, that one broken. Yeah, I got you more. Make my grandparents finish. Okay, bro.
Oh wait.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I tell them, man. Alright, alright.
So me just send her over another invite.
Mm-hmm.
See if she going to join. Yo, fuck this English thing. So oh you say everything Shira? Everything good from your side?
Yeah, so far, bro.
Yeah man.
Still have a look of flows through, but I guess better.
Real brother.
So good.
Yeah man. Right now the place just I get for warm up.
Oh,
Yeah
snow or
bro.
not?
Eh?
The snow, with the snow thing.
Yeah, because even last week, Sino did a fall. Like,
Mm-hmm.
bro, we're in fucking spring now, bro. And Sino was still a fall. And I say, yo, but that's supposed to be the
The last side.
yeah, the last side.
Snow thing, bro. We're just try about it all the time.
yeah.
I think I'm more experienced to know. No,
Yeah.
I'm too much like
Yeah, no, like I say too much like bad man. Cause right now, me about did for drive. Me about did for go crazy, brother.
yeah.
Yeah, that because remember it plays out of the outside the cold in the dark. You see?
Yeah, I can show you snow. Somebody else will.
Yeah, I don't lie. So Sean, what you mean by you get used to it by now? Huh?
What?
What you mean by you get used to it by now? I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Then.
Ik could have all
Bumbo
do know
clad.
because in my can do it from food.
Burn already. Jump off on already.
So Sean, you see the potential buys.
What's that?
You see the potential buys. So early on, we were talking about buys down here, but we wanted the candle to close down here. But we never get the candle closed down here. So now we just gotta wait for a breakout out of this 30-minute range. If we can get a breakout out of this 30-minute range, obviously we don't want to take a buy anywhere here. We want to pull back first, then we can take buys going up. And if we get the buys somewhere here, I'm holding for up here. Yeah. So nice. This 15-minute can close out here. Then the other 15-minute, as long as it stay above this line, can take a buy and a flip going up. Stops will be down here. That would be looking good. But I'm not seeing any sells for now.
Christmas done early. Can you hear me?
Yes.
See that candle have a lot of volume.
Yeah, man.
But that's some news everyone has.
It was what? I think it was AUD, but AUD don't normally move the market like that. Where is it?
Oh, take it out here.
One day thing goal. Not
Still 15
interested.
minutes. So all gone. You didn't run anti already? Oh.
400 pip.
Yeah. Orange picking.
Yeah. Yes. From like here, measured it from here to here, 400.
Oh.
You know, if you enter on a 0.1, that's $400.
Yeah.
Sweet. So with the small account, that's where more of the thing, bro. More of the able can enter upon a 0.1 and just let that shit run. Because if you can get a 0.1 from here, you're risking like 150. You're up $400, and then another move like here would be $400. That's 800, and then another move here. So that would be a little over 1,000. That's 1,002. Maybe not 1,002 quite, but a little over $1,000 by risking 150. So that's almost a 10 to 1. Sweet. So this is what I'm looking for. Where's my line?
Sounded nice. So that's where you're projecting it to pull back.
Yes, it might pull back lower
Mm.
as long as I get a 30-minute close above this, then I'll partake. If my 30-minute does not close above here, obviously, as how you see
Mm-hmm.
it running, it's going to close above here. But if my 30-minute does not close above here, I will not partake in any trade.
Makes sense. And how long for the 30 minutes? Is the last 15 minutes?
No, no, the next 15. So that's the other thing, right? So since this 15-minute candle is going to close nice, strong, bullish, the other one can
Mm.
continuously going up. But if the other one come and stay above here, so you get a 15-minute bullish, then a 15-minute bearish staying above here, which indicate the 30-minute is staying above here. I would wait for a wick, then enter on the flip of that wick. Entering on the flip of that wick, take partials here, and then let the rest run.
Okay.
Or maybe take, it depends. But here would be a good spot to out. Normally I would take full here, or here I would take full. But I see this trade has a lot of potential to go here. Ah. So I'm just waiting for this to close above, pull back, tap here, 30-minute, stay above here because we took liquidity. Buyers execute their trades here. They got stop out here. Sellers execute here. They got stop out.
Basically, road is clear.
Yeah, ground's clear. Time to make some food now. Yo, if I can get like $600 off this move, that would be good. And then tomorrow I'll just try to get a trade, and that would be my payout.
Anything after 600 would be difficult.
Yes, because I need $2,000 on this account. So this, so which is this account? I need or this should be 52,000. This should be 53. Bro, these motherfuckers. But also if we don't get this pullback, I might start be looking for sales here. I need this to go all the way up top here, maybe even sweep here. Then I can get some sales back down.
Online. Push on. And I can probably about 10 o'clock there. But, The previous time was closing. Strong.
Yeah.
It's a strong bullish candle.
So you see like how them close like that right now. Them do a lot of buying up from here. This was a lot of money, right? Millions of dollars. So if it just continue all the way up to here, possibly we can get a sell from here. Normally, you would want to take a sell from here.
Yeah.
But to how would I take the sell? Would I wait like would I want this candle come up and close, and then the next candle come sweep liquidity, and by the time it's ready for flip, entry on the flip, meaning like flip. So this is here. By the time this ready for flip, my entry would be here, my stop loss would be here, risking like $200. And then remember, you're risking $200 from here to here. So move from here to here is $200. Move $400, $600. So move like these, it's easy to capitalize on. And it's also easier to lose. But it's moving sweet in that direction still. Yeah. No, give me exactly what I want, bro.
Just like to see big.
Huh?
Like to see liquidity up top.
Yeah, it would be nice if we can get this liquidity taken. So right now, my
You have more minutes on the 15 minutes still. The time bar can go to the right. You see the countdown.
yeah,
We said it.
here's my countdown. You can see it.
It's not. No, it's not sure.
Let me see. Yeah, here. And then my target,
Oh,
yeah,
see.
my target is like right here, and I want it to actually hit the target. I don't want it to come near the target. Hit the target, and then hit this other area. Sweep this liquidity.
But 10 more minutes still, and we're still
Sure.
bullish.
Well, technically, we have 2 more hours. Yo, which strategy you say trade again, bro? Which strategy you say trade again?
Basically, liquidity sweep.
Oh, okay.
So,
Yo, they say that most profitable and kind of like the best strategy, but it kind of, to me, it kind of hard to understand. Yeah, if you can master liquidity on a level, bad man, you bleed the market. Bleed the
that's my
market.
job. As I think we have come back testing and
Yes.
see where we out majority of basically liquidity move the market.
Yes.
Like take the sellers to be a buyer and a buyer to be a seller.
Yes.
And at each liquidity area, you have to know is it going to reverse or it's a continuation.
Yes.
So
100%.
You know, to be honest, bro, this goal buy,
Yes.
I have the goal buy here set up from last week. From it then at the goal buy from it then at the sell. I see me can say, and when it reaches at the year, bro, I never enter it.
Oh, so you see that at the
Yeah,
next thing. Why you never
yeah.
enter it?
Bro, I don't never fear or
A
whatever,
fear, man.
but now
But
literally, man, I'm a person I have it, and it
yeah,
go right down it entry, and now it can go all the way back.
yeah. But remember last week, the price did kind of get back to normal. Where if you had enter on a 0.01, it you're not risking as much. Or that was too rich for the account.
Oh, just never enter.
Oh. So that me start doing sometimes now. Like if a trade where we don't too confident about it, we drop the lot
Mm.
size. Like all right, so this trade that we've been talking about, the flip, where normally I would risk, we try to risk $500 per trade. So
Oh,
if I'm not too sure about this, I would risk like $100, $200. So if I lose $200, it's no big deal. The other trade where I'm sure about, I can make it back with these. Well,
ceiling.
all right, let me see.
Hold on, look on the screen check.
Oh, Jaja, this
And
wasn't. This was
you see
last
that
night.
back?
Wasn't this last night?
No, last week.
No,
I
when this
think it
trade
was last
activated. This. Oh no, yeah, it wasn't last night.
Thursday.
Oh,
This is 1 hour time. And
yes,
I've been set up from it was at the top when it sweep liquidity to the last
yes,
liquidity you see that?
yes.
Then I have it from right here. And you can see on the 1 hour time frame, you have two liquidity here down the previous 5 years where it went before it continue going back up now.
True.
Oh.
Looking good, man. So, clear. Yo, what was the risk to reward on this? Cause this look, if you risk like $100, seem like you're making like all $800, nine.
I think it was 900 or something.
Ja, sweet,
Just came up.
sweet. Yo, I want to get to the point where I'm risking $1,000 to make like two.
2,000.
Yeah, man. You risk 1,000, make two. And for trades like these, now we're talking about, you risk $1,000, you can make like seven.
7,000, right?
Yeah, man. Seven.
Bro, because this is a 1 to 6.
Do you see it? Ja.
Yeah.
I think, how many days? Did the work? I think did the work, and see it, bro. I'm saying about internet.
Yes.
And I think Friday, no, it wasn't Friday. Thursday evening, when I come home from work, it just stopped here. I think that was like 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. I'm saying I go watch it. When we wake up the next morning, I see it fly up and I say, alright.
Yeah.
I know Friday was just a run for my hands. Friday do a big push.
Bro, Friday. Believe what talk about Friday, bro. swear.
And me I tell you, so this drop from it there to the extreme top. To dry it up down there.
Okay.
More opportunities.
Yeah, a lot more. So right now, that's the thing. What I try to do, I try to back test and like go back through each week and look how the kangle them did farm.
Yes, to
Look,
do this for you.
huh?
Ash. No, not the one. Ash.
Oh.
Still this. You know about to sell the next car. You know about to sell the next car. Hey, me no know. Good way, I not see it still. Good way, I not come on.
This motherfucker.
Oh, mine ain't the call on the next. Hello?
You? You see what going on, Sean?
Mine this guy ain't the call, no.
What that? Oh,
Long time till I see it on. Oh,
Sean, you look like your last man. Cannot be found.
I'm not allowed. I'm just eating.
Okay, we think you're gone. But you see what I go on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Target hasn't quite tapped as yet. You can see price playing around. So the other candle, if that come tap the target, then I'm gonna take a sell on the flip. So now I'm gonna have to drop my lot size.
I think it doesn't reach it.
What was that?
3 minutes time. Close before it reach up there. Almost reach it still, but
Yeah, bro, but
eventually go to reverse from it.
so 5. Nice.
Reach.
Yes, it reads. So one take a alright. So I take a sell on the small account. We can afford to take the last there.
Live on YouTube.
Huh?
Still live on YouTube.
Yes, still live on YouTube. So right now, this is not how I want it to play out exactly. Right now, I would like for it to pull back somewhere up in this area. As I said, if it can sweep this liquidity, but some of the time we might not get that liquidity sweep. So right now, our entry can go right below this candle. Then stops would be all the way here. So that's like $150. It's a bit sticky. But there's no need for price to come back down here. There's no need for price to hit here and then hit back here. So if we're going down now, this should suffice. All right, let me see on my live account.
Yeah.
That's $150. Too rich for my blood. 1 hour. Mm-mm. Yeah, I'ma just wait. Yeah, most definitely, I'ma just wait.
Oh, yeah, one, one.
Construction.
Oh, yeah, use it to carry stuff then.
Yes.
You do one thing at a time. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, 4 hour.
Like a pickup or yeah, yeah. Chetan. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm thinking of that vehicle. Mm-hmm. Shiny vehicle.
All right, so I'm gonna wait until this candle close.
Goes back here below the previous one.
Not, not really say, because if it closed back down here, it's too late to enter the trade. So what I
Oh,
wanted to see was if this candle could have like closed a little bit here, this candle close here, then this candle come sweep liquidity, then I would enter on the flip. When I enter on the flip, my entry would be here, my stop loss would be here, and I'll be targeting down here.
oh,
But
yeah.
yeah, this buy, there was no confirmation for this buy. And still there's this sell was better than this buy, but still no confirmation as it.
I think a big buy is coming up between if it that fear value gap right there between
Yeah.
the two bullish candle.
Yes.
Yeah. I think the price is coming back to the previous bear close candle before continue going up.
Makes sense.
One second.
Die.
Tomorrow is good. Tomorrow is good.
All right, that was what 1 hour. My end the live stream for the 1 hour. Cause right now, all right. So right now, even though I'm looking for sells, the market is still bullish to this point. Look at this 1 hour, bullish.
Go back on the one hour, let me see.
1 hour. This is zoops. So no,
Yeah,
this
bro.
might just
Alright,
be
so the
the
previous
the
one,
week. Huh?
not the previous one, the second green one.
Second green.
Yeah,
Yes. This?
yeah. About uh, expect price to talk about that era
Yes.
before continue.
Yeah, makes sense.
As I said, the liquidity to the previous green channel went down and sweep everything to the left.
Yes, everything.
Never was somebody down there or anything. Come back up and close back above.
So that's what I'm saying. Like if I had got the cells here, my stops would be here. Say if I'm risking like $100, stops entry here, stops here. That would be 250, almost $300. Yeah, you take your profits, base hits. All right, so I'm gonna end this. Oh, yeah, end this again.